Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I am so excited for today's video. We're going to be doing a relaxing extreme clean with me. This took me all day to film, and so I hope you guys get the ultimate cleaning motivation in today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm just going to preface this by saying I apologize in advance about my voice. I have a little bit of a cold, and so I'm a little stuffy, so yes, I apologize in advance. But we are starting off here in the master bedroom, getting everything wiped down, cleaned, and tidied up. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for joining me for another video. I am so happy that you are here, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to join our growing YouTube family. We would love to have you join us. Now, if you are new, my name is Brianne, and here on my channel you're going to find a lot of lifestyle content with a focus on cleaning and homemaking motivation. I also share the odd home DIY project and recipes and just that sort of thing. So if that is the kind of content that you enjoy, go ahead, hit that subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well. It really helps out my channel as a small creator. So we are also going to be tackling the main bathroom in today's video, as well as the kitchen and the dining area. So we are doing like some really good deep cleaning in those areas. I am going to be pulling out my steam mop again a little bit later and steam cleaning the trash can. It really needed to be done. We're also deep cleaning the bathtub and just getting a lot of those tedious deep cleaning tasks done. Let me know what is on your to-do list today down below in the comments. In the bathroom, we are going to be doing just some everyday cleaning tasks. I am using my Windex and coffee filter hack here on the mirror. If you haven't tried this, it works wonders and I highly recommend it. So we're just going to be cleaning up a little bit in here, and we are also going to come back to the bathroom a little bit later on in the video.
Time stops when we're alone. You got my love, don't let it go. Feels like we're paper thin, one step away from caving in. When you're out with all the wild roams, and you're looking for a way back home, I'll be the light that only you can see. Figure it out. Oh, I'll be here when all gets lost. We can count on hope.
So as you can see, I did clean underneath my sink there. It was pretty dirty, so I wanted to go ahead and do that. And then I'm just using some Clorox wipes here on the toilet, and then I'm using a natural toilet bowl cleaner. I've shared this recipe before, but it is just baking soda and vinegar. You can also use some essential oils if you want. You let it sit for a couple minutes, and then you go ahead and scrub just like you normally would. I will be sharing that recipe in my spring workbook that I will be launching at the end of the month here, so stay tuned for that and make sure that you join my email list to be the first to know about it. Now we're moving on into the dining area.
Time stops when we're alone. You got my love, don't let it go. Feels like we're paper thin, one step away from caving in. When you're out where all the wild roams, and you're looking for a way back home, I'll be like that only you can see. You can see. I'll be here when things go south. We can take our time just to figure it out.
You guys, my kitchen was totally trashed. I honestly don't even know how this happens. It just does. And so this is mom life at its finest. There's just so many dishes, of course, but we're gonna go ahead and get this all cleaned up. So I'm going to go ahead and take the trash out. Off camera, I did empty our fridge. I didn't have time to film it, but I will definitely film that in a future video, as that is some major cleaning motivation right there. So now I'm going to go ahead. It is garbage day the next day after I film this. So we're gonna go ahead and get the garbage out, and that is when I usually clean the trash can as well. So, you know, these are just some steps that I do as part of my like weekly routine, I guess, so to speak. I have routines on certain days that I do things. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and fill the dishwasher, get these dishes done. So I hope that you are up and moving and cleaning along with me. And if you are not, go ahead and get up and tackle your mess.
Stops when we're alone. You got my love, don't let it go.
Two kids, two runaways, lost in the backbeat of a heartbreak. What does it matter anyway if we wanna leave behind all our mistakes? Oh, your eyes, they tell the truth. Oh, the line from me to you, we know it's tangled up in blue. What if we unravel? We could go anywhere. We'll get there soon. We'll get there soon. We could be any place. We'll get there soon. We'll get there.
Just wanted to pop on here and let you know that you are doing an incredible job. I wanted to let you know that what you do around your home matters, and you matter. And I know sometimes it can be a little overwhelming and we don't feel like we're doing enough, and everyone's capacity limit is different. So you might see me doing a lot, maybe you get a lot more done than me, but you know what? Just listen to your body. If it's telling you to slow down, slow down. If you have all the energy, then pick it up a notch and tackle the mess. But just try to give yourself some grace. It is a very challenging season to, you know, be comparing yourself to everyone that you see on Instagram or YouTube or whatever. But I just want you to know that, again, what you do around your home matters, and you matter. So your family appreciates you, and just know that you're doing enough.
We'll get there soon. We could be any place. We'll get there soon. We'll get there soon.
Now it is time to clean my stovetop. As you can see, it was pretty bad. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my Thieves cleaner to kind of wipe that down, which is also what I used on the countertop. And then I will go in for a deep clean in a minute here.
in my head, and now it's saving all my luck for the weekend. We don't always get it right, but we wing it, and we fall right into place like a dream. And I was giving you my Fridays, midnights, but I was trying to deny that it felt right. Didn't want to tell myself you were my type. Thought I liked it on my own and I was alright. They're waving lighters, and we're slow dancing in the dark, holding me tighter. That's what it looks like in my heart. All that I know is I'm not myself when we're apart. I let it go. I'm giving up, I want your love. Not gonna fight it, 'cause it's gonna follow where I go. Not gonna hide it. So I yell into a microphone, shine a little light in. I can tell it's supernatural if you can't deny it. Shout it into a megaphone.
Here in my sink, I just went ahead and used some baking soda and vinegar to really give this a good clean. And I am opening up my new Scrub Mummy little sponge that I absolutely love. This was my first time using it, and I've actually had this for like months, like a solid month, maybe month and a half now, and I literally am just getting to using it. I tried ordering the pink stuff. Let me know down below if you've heard of that stuff before, but it is almost like it's literally impossible to find here in Canada. I ordered it 3 months ago. It was supposed to be here like end of January, and now it has just totally disappeared from like my Amazon cart. I don't know what happened. So I had a very, very good video planned, and so I'm still on a hunt to find that stuff so I can continue on with that plan for that video. It'll be super, super satisfying and motivating, so stay tuned for that. But I did order this Scrub Mummy sponge along with it, and I'm really, really happy with how that turned out. So if you haven't tried it, I'll make sure to link this down below. It is actually super inexpensive, but it is like, it does wonders. It's incredible. So I like the Scrub Mummy. I've never used the Scrub Daddy, but let me know down below if you have tried them before, and if you have, which one you prefer. So moving on, we are going to go ahead and steam clean the trash can now. It was long overdue. I'm not gonna lie, it had been a while since I had done this. I do like to clean the trash can weekly, like I said a little bit earlier, but for some reason, like, I mean, my house got sick and things just kind of got put on the back burner. And so yeah, it was definitely long overdue, but we're getting to it now, and that's all that matters. There was 2 areas in the bathroom that were pretty dirty, so I wanted to go ahead and clean that bathroom tile as well as this little area here. And then I don't know what happened, but I lost some footage of the after, so unfortunately I can't share that with you, but it does look a lot better. So now we're gonna move on and just vacuum the rest of the house here.
I wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us 2, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now, it looks so gray cold. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it. So young and reckless, baby, you and I fit just like a glove, but I guess that's over now. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go and just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go and just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. We've been laying here.
Thank you so much for watching today's relaxing clean with me. I hope that you guys got tons of cleaning motivation. And remember, this did take me all day to clean the house. So try to give yourself some grace if you don't get a lot done. Finish it the next day, do whatever you gotta do. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this relaxing and encouraging video today and found it super motivating. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family, and we will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Right now.